Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Conference, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for in the news this week, SkyDrive Inc. announced the first successful test flight of its SD-03 flying car model at the Toyota test field in Toyota, Japan. The single-seat flying car, built as the world's first smallest electrical vertical takeoff and landing model, took flight for about 4 minutes. The vehicle resembles a motorcycle with 4 attached propellers, giving it the power of flight. The SD-03 is currently capable of maintaining flight for about 10 minutes, and the company is now aiming to expand that time to 30 minutes. SkyDrive said it's aiming to have a commercially available version of the car completed by 2023. Also, if you're an Apple iPhone person, rest assured that the new iPhone Pro 11 can survive a drop in the toilet. This is what workers found when cleaning out a vault toilet in the Flathead National Forest in Montana. A poop-soaked phone at the bottom of the toilet tank, and the team of men were shocked to discover it still works. Tracy Kaw of A1 Sanitation said he and his team were cleaning out the tank of the vault toilet near Holland Lake when he spotted the iPhone 11 Pro at the bottom. Kaw and his teammates sanitized the phone, plugged it in, and were shocked to discover it still worked. The men said they were unable to get any information from the phone because the screen was locked, and employees at Verizon and Apple said they were unable to access the information on the device without the owner's permission. Kyle said the team was finally able to get some information by popping the device's SIM card into another phone. They left a voicemail for the phone's owner, and it has since been sent back to her. Thank you, and have a great week.